I did. Hey, my name's Amira, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys my hair makeover. So my hair is like about this long and I've got this much extra length and so much extra volume, and I've done it all pink. So I want to show you how I got this pink color. I actually mixed it custom with some pink and some peach, and it's exactly like how I wanted it. I dyed all my hair extensions slightly different shades of pink, and like some a little bit more subtle, some a little bit brighter, just so that way I can use the ones that are more washed out at the top section when my actual hair, because this is some of my actual hair, it's like a bit more faded. Because they're just clip-ins, these aren't going to fade as quickly as my actual hair. So yeah, I just love that they're all a bit different, so they're all just gonna blend. Like I thought my hair would be a bit too light today, but you can see it still blends in really, really nicely. I love my pink hair, and now I have a pink set of extensions and a blonde set of extensions, both from Eden Hair, to go backwards and forwards between. Before we jump in and talk to you guys about the extensions and how I dyed them this beautiful peachy pink color, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more videos. And yeah, let's jump in. So I have the 220 gram set of hair extensions from Eden Hair. They are the same set that a couple of weeks ago, maybe a couple months ago, by the time you're watching this, I don't know how my timeline's working out at the moment, but I dyed the root section ombre. So I ended up doing that to my second set of extensions. So I had two sets, both with the darker root area and then both blonde. Then one of the sets I just toned and dyed pink. I dyed it somewhere in between, as vibrant as my hair goes and like a little bit lighter, so it's kind of in between, so it will match my hair as it starts to fade out. So if you have a colored hair, I recommend diluting it just a little bit. I'm going to talk about that more in the bit where we go over how I dyed them and everything, just because usually hair color is going to fade pretty quickly if you're using a temporary one like I do, because I don't want to completely ruin and stain my blonde hair. I like going back to blonde, but if you're wanting to keep your hair like vibrant and use like permanent colors, then by all means go for it, and then dye your hair extensions like the vibrant shade. These ones I haven't actually cut or anything. I was going to layer them a little bit, but what I really like about them is because I've dyed some a little bit lighter, if they're all the same length, I can easily swap over the placement in my head. So yeah, at the moment, like these clips up the top are more washed out just to blend in with my hair, which is a bit more faded. And then the brighter ones are down the bottom just because they don't blend in with any hair, because I clip up the bottom layer of my actual hair. If you want a color to show up in your hair, especially a pinky color, you're going to need to make sure it's a really, really pale, clean blonde, which these extensions are in the shade Bleach Blonde. Like, it's perfect. They're slightly tapered at the ends, so I don't know, it's a lot of extensions you can't wear them straight up because the ends are just like completely blunt cut. And yeah, you have to have them cut into your hair. But these ones, if you get a color that matches your hair and you don't have to like tone it, or you know, like I made the roots ombre, this set I obviously dyed pink. Other than the color, as long as the color is good, you can literally just clip them in and go, and they're gonna blend really, really nicely. So yeah, I just wanted to share some information about the extensions with you because I've been absolutely loving them, and I've been getting literally so many compliments on them. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know. Anyway, I'm gonna jump into me dyeing them the other night. Hey guys, please excuse my ratchet nails. They're getting done tomorrow and I've just been picking at them. Here are my hair extensions. They are the Eden hair extensions. I dyed the roots ombre and stuff. I'll leave a card here so you can go check out that video of how I did that. But today we're going to be doing them that really nice peachy pink pastel kind of color, and I feel like the peachy pink makes it a little bit more modern than just straight up pink. So I have washed these with shampoo, so you want to make sure there's no yellow tones in it. So I use the Fanola No Yellow shampoo, but because hair extensions grab color really, really quickly and really strongly, I've diluted it with the Nutri one. Oh my goodness, this smells so yum. It smells like you know Taha, the candle from Glass House that everyone loves? It smells kind of like that. It's delicious. It just made them this really nice clean blonde color, so it means that the color will grab really evenly. I am not camera ready, but if you see my hair, it's like a lot more vibrant. In natural light it's like a lot lighter, so I didn't dilute it in my actual hair, but when I dye these I will dilute it because my hair will fade a lot faster. I wasn't sure how much of this I would need, so I just bought a buttload at Chemist Warehouse. It wasn't on sale, which was kind of annoying, but I was just in a mood where I had to buy it right then and there. So I got the Colorista Washout Pastel Pink. I actually got 4 of them because that one I already opened and did in my hair, and then I got 2 of the peach. So yeah, I got some of these and I just wanted to make it like a little bit peach. I don't know, and I wanted it to be lighter like this, so I'm going to dilute it with my hair conditioner. So I have the Fanola Nutri Care Conditioner, so I'm going to be using this to dilute it. Actually, I'll show you how bright these come out first. So this is the pink. You can see it's like quite like a vibrant hot pink. There's that, and there's the peach. The peach is like a very orange. So let's go ahead and put like a good amount of conditioner in there. We're going to start mixing it with the tail comb and just kind of see what color comes out. So what I'm going to do is, because we've got a few different ones, I'm going to dilute it a little bit more for some, and then that way when I clip it in my hair I can layer them a little bit differently. So let's just kind of go ham with this. Actually, I probably don't want to put it directly on the towel. That's not the smartest. You can put gloves on if you like, but actually I probably could have made it a little bit brighter. Maybe I'll mix what's left over with some more color to make the other ones a little bit more vibrant. Wiping the product out a bit, and just I'm popping it here at the moment because I don't know if I want to mix up some more in here yet. I can see some blonde bits still coming through, and that was the section. These ones were the ones that were done first and a little bit more diluted. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go through with the pink straight on it, and I'm either going to regret this or love this. We'll see, because there's already conditioner on it, so it's not going to go like too crazy bright. The fact that these aren't grabbing the color like absolute crazy means the hair's actually like not that damaged. So I'm used to hair extensions being usually really damaged, but these are still clearly in good nick, otherwise they would be, yeah, super porous, which means they grab the color really quickly. So I'm gonna leave these for 15-20 minutes, and then I'm going to wash them all out in the shower, and I'm just going to hang them up on some coat hangers to dry, and they take ages to dry because they're so thick. So I might pop my hair dryer on them and see, because I kind of want to wear them like sooner, but my hair is more pink than this, so I might have to wash my hair again. We'll see. But yeah, I want to just get these rolling so that when I really need to wear my hair extensions, I can have some that are hopefully going to be a pretty decent match. The most important bit to take from all of that is you can always add more color later. It's better to be safe than sorry. Hair extensions are hard to strip the color out of, especially without damaging them. So yes, a little bit at a time, and you can just see how they're going. I am so bad at being like cautious. I just want to slap stuff on and be done really quickly. But you know, just take your time, because you don't want to ruin your extensions. They are an investment, but they're going to last you ages if you look after them. If you manage to get the color perfectly like I have, you are going to get your money's worth out of them and friggin' love them. Anyway guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye!